Alrighty, YouTube, now that we've got the engine, the transmission, and the rear end all sorted out, it's time for Rat 10 to come back apart. Which seems a little backwards because I just kind of finished everything. Everything's finalized. This is literally how Rat 10's gonna sit. It's not gonna change from here on fabrication-wise. But there's a lot of cleanup I wanna do. Like most of these welds in the rear here, I'm gonna just take a grinder to them to clean them up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go shoot the whole frame with a wire wheel and then rocker guard the whole thing, much like I did inside these panels here, because putting in all this work to have it rust and look like garbage is not on my priority list. And then the transmission and engine also have to come out to fit a clutch, throw bearing and flywheel, and to prep the engine for boost as well, and to swap the camshaft. What do you say we jump right into it? And he sees. That's gonna fall, you watch. Called it. Oh, this old jack is slow. Feels weird taking all this apart again, but also good because it's the last step. Oh, really? Okay. I guess that works. Okay. This is the fun thing about having nothing in the back of this truck. Just kind of. Oh yeah, that's moving around the whole garage like this. That came out. Wow, it's just gonna be that nice to me. I don't really care if you One of the wheels on this hoist is just ruined. Alright, that about does it. The rear end is out, the gas tank is out, all the mounting stuff is out, all the stuff that's welded in is there. Engine and trans are out, engine's on the stand, transmission's just on the floor, that's where she's gonna sit. If you haven't guessed by the title of this video, this is just gonna be the cleaning and painting video. I basically just got all the big chunky shit off of here. And I gotta remember, Rat 10's not a show truck, it's a shitbox, so it's gonna get painted over and it's gonna look okay. Look at that. That is badass. Okay, I went through and gave this all a nice second coat, like nice and thick. The only spot I really fucked up was right here. There's a little bit of a run, but the part I'm gonna have exposed is just gonna be this inner square or inner rectangle here. So I'm not too worried about that. And I mean, just take a look at this. This turned out so good. I can't get over how good this looks. Now, I only did up to just see where it stops up in there. I'm gonna get farther forward eventually once I move up into the engine bay. This is gonna require a lot of cleaning because there's oil and stuff everywhere. And then besides that, I need to wire wheel the rear end because this is gonna take me forever. I might do this off camera because it's gonna be annoying. The only parts of it I really wanna get clean are just the center section and the wings and the axles because you can see them. So I think I'm gonna do that off camera. You're gonna see it clean when I get back into the reassembly video. For now, I hope you enjoyed that. Come back for more. Thanks for watching.